Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you change time on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on general, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just click here on that in time, just click on it here. So then you click here on set automatically, you click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone here, can you select your time zone? Then you click in this sign here. So then here can you select your date here, and here just click on it, or you click on this sign here, and here can you select time or change it. That's all. I wish you I get it. So then here can you set it automatically. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.